Hello student, today we will discuss about the isomers of C5H12O. See, write down the question first. Draw the structure of all isomeric alcohols of molecular formula C5H12O and give their IUPAC names. Second question is classify the isomers of alcohol in above question as primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, and find out how many numbers of 1 degree and 2 degree. Third question, number of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols in the same question. Okay, this is comprehension type question. So we have to write on like this. Comprehension, you have to write in comprehension type. Comprehension type question. Okay, they can ask about ether also, but we have discussed here only alcohols. See here, isomers of alcohols, not about ether. Okay, now see here, isomers of C5H12O excluding stereoisomers, including stereoisomers. Here I have given you the exact idea because before going to this, it will be in your mind that okay, 8 isomers excluding stereoisomers, and B, in case of B, 11 isomers including stereoisomers. What does it mean? This will show you that there are 3 chiral carbon atoms. Okay, 3 chiral carbon atoms are there, so 3 molecules shows optical activity. What does it mean? If 3 molecules are showing optical activity, so 5 molecules are optically inactive. Okay, so total as I told you 8. It means 5 and 3 molecules we are discussing because we are excluding here stereoisomers. Okay, so 3 molecules show optical activity, that is why 3 they will form D and L forms. So see here I have written each present as D and L form. In this case, when it is optically active, star I am making, when it is optically active, each molecule will form D and L, 2 forms. Optically active compound show D and L forms. Okay, so 2 structures will be formed, so total 3 into 2, 6. So 6 isomers from this and 5 optically inactive as it is. Now I will, why I have written you this first? Because most of the time what people do only watch a little bit and then you skip the whole of the video. So it will create interest on you, in you that oh, this simple it is, and then you'll go for it. Okay, see here, it's very simple, very easy. See, first of all you have to write down 5 carbons, and I told you just a layman is starting it, because otherwise if you write on CH3 everything, then it will be very time consuming. But for MCQs you have to be very quick. That is why I have given you 8 first. See, CH2H 1 degree alcohol, CH2H 1 degree alcohol, CH2H 1 degree alcohol. What I have done? 5 carbon chain, CH2H, then 4 carbon chain, and the C is here just adjacent to this CH2H, and then CH2H is next to it. After that it will not be here. Okay, so if I'll put it here, it will be the same. So 1, 2, 3. Clear? Now what I will do, that I will put this C on the head of this. So tertiary, this is 3 degree, not 3 degree, this is 4 degree carbon, this is 3 degree carbon. Okay, this is also 3 degree carbon. Clear? But we will not worry about it. We have to see that CH2S grouping is here, and tertiary carbon is also having this. So how many primary alcohol we are getting? 4. Okay, now we will go for the secondary alcohol. So for that also I have made this chain, carbon chain, 5 carbon chain, and then I put OH over here first in the second carbon, and then I put OH in the third carbon. That's it. We will not shift it here, because if we will name from here, then it will become 2 all. This is 2 all, this is 3 all. See, this is 2 all, this is 3 all. I am not writing completely because I am giving you the quick idea how you have to go for the MCQ preparation. Now 1, 2, I will make double click here because it is secondary alcohol. Yeah, I have written 3 all, but it is secondary alcohol. Okay, I am saying the position of the OH group only. And then see here this chiral carbon. Now what I did, I put one C over here. This is iso grouping I did. See, this is iso grouping and this is normal grouping, normal propyl. Clear? So this, see here, it is also 2-ol. But iso grouping is also present. So it is 2-ol. Clear? I am not IUPAC naming here, giving you IUPAC name here. So this is secondary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol, and this is secondary alcohol. Clear to you? And now 8th one is tertiary alcohol. Only one tertiary alcohol we will get. Why? Because if I'll put it here, so we have to shift C also here, so we'll name from here. So only one tertiary alcohol, one 3-degree alcohol. Clear to you? So how many alcohols we got excluding here? This is first excluding, we'll get 8. Now here I have asked including stereoisomers. So I have made stars over here. See, this is a 1 star because this carbon is having this CH3 group, C2H5 group, H and CH2H. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 are different groups. So this is one chiral carbon, and then with this, see this 5th one, it is propyl grouping. This is methyl. Now I am writing methyl. Okay, propyl grouping, methyl grouping, H and OH. So this is also chiral carbon. Okay, now this is not there because on the both the sides C2H5 is there, so it is optically inactive. So see, it is first one is optically inactive, second one optically active, third one optically inactive. Because here HH is there, no, here CC common, no, here I am putting it. Okay, so this is not optically active, this is not optically active, 2 हो गए. Now this is not optically active, 3. Okay, and about this is also not optically active, 4. And then this is also last one, CH3, 2 CH3 groups are there, so this is not optically active. Okay, so how many cross I made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 optically inactive. But I made 3 stars over here, for this one and this and this. So this is optically active, and they will show optically activity. So it will show D and L form. This will show D plus L. I will write down D plus L. Here also D plus L. Okay, here also D plus L. So total 6, 2, how many times? 2 to 4 to 6, simple maths. 6 plus 5, 12. 5 optically inactive and 6 optically active, so 11 isomers will get total, including stereoisomers. Excluding in stereoisomers, then we had to count only one time. We had not to say L or form also. Okay, that is why I have written 8 first. See, I have written 8 first. So we are not considering about stereoisomer at that point. Then I proceed for optical active carbon, optically active compound, chiral carbon, and then we search about stereoisomers. Okay, first I made just isomers. I have not written L form here, only D form is here. Okay, or LL form will be there. And when we are saying including stereoisomers, then I have to write on LLL in all the cases, right? Okay, now we will discuss other questions also. See here, I have written here. Now here I have given completely. Here I have written totally 11 isomers including stereoisomers. This is 1 pentanol, then this C, ethyl group, and this is CH2H grouping, CH, CH3, all 4 groups are different. And then this compound, this is optically inactive, one is optically inactive, this is optically active, this is inactive, this is also inactive, so I am making cross. This is optically inactive, inactively, I will write down inactive, then it will be better. Instead of cross, sometimes you will get confused. Inactive, this is also inactive, optically, inactive, inactivity. Okay, optically inactive. So this is optically active where I have made this I will make double click. Okay, now this is optically active because this is propyl group, this is methyl group, and HOH, 4 groups are different, so optically active. And this is optically inactive because ethyl group is here, ethyl group is here, 4 groups are not different, so this is optically inactive, optically inactive. Okay, now here also this is also optically inactive. Oh, wait. This is optically active, baby, because here propyl group is there. Sorry. This is optically active because propyl and propyl group is here. Here methyl. And here H and OH, 4 different groups are there, so optically active. Okay, and then this one, this is optically inactive because both for this is same. This is optically inactive. Optically inactive. Clear? Now here I am. This is also optically active. The star I made. This is optically active. So I will make double click over here. Optically active. Clear? Optically active, I have given double click. Optically active. Optically active. Clear? So this is blue. Clear to you? So 2 optically active means D and L form. See, D and L form here, D and L form here, D and L form here. So total 2 to 4 to 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay, and 5 are optically inactive. So total 6 plus 5, 12 isomers will get from the given molecule. Now total how many 1 degree 4 primary alcohols are there, right? 3 and the secondary alcohol how many? 3 isomers are 2 degree alcohol. Okay, and the last one is here, that is tertiary alcohol. Only one 3 degree alcohol, tertiary alcohol, 3 isomers 2 degree secondary alcohol, and 4 isomers are primary alcohol. Here I have not considered about that D and L form. Simple. If we will consider about the D and L form, then you have to see that the 3 degree isomers, 3 isomers mean here this is 3, so 2 to 4 and 1 5. At that time 5 isomers are secondary alcohol. So they are asking very tricky question. Be careful and then you have to write down. If I'll include this, so you have to add 1 and 1 4. If we will discuss about or 5 when stereoisomers are also concerned. See, stereo isomers. Okay, stereoisomers. So when we will discuss about stereoisomers, then we have to say 5 because 2 from this, 2 from this, and 1 from this. Otherwise, it is 3. Clear? 3 isomers of 2 degree alcohol, excluding stereoisomers. Clear? And 4 primary alcohol, if they will ask including stereoisomers, then what we will do? Stereoisomers. At that moment, you have to search for is there in optically active. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a plus 5. So here D and L. So here 5. So including stereoisomers, 5 primary 1 degree alcohol, we can say 1 degree alcohol. Clear? Including this, here also 5 and 2 degree alcohol because 2 to 4 and 1 5. Here already 4 are there in 1 degree. So this is D and L means 5. Here tertiary, it is not. Okay, so only 1 3 degree alcohol will get. I think this point is clear to you. No, okay, no need to worry. All the best, and you will do the best. God bless you all.